Maybe you're like me and you have a little bit of trouble starting fires at times, and it depends on the fire. Maybe the wood is wet, maybe you don't have enough kindling, and these things come in super, super clutch. Now, I'm not a huge fan of how they package this, I'll have to be honest, because typically, you'd have this in kind of like resealable bags. But at the end of the day, even if this gets humid or wet, they're still gonna work because that's the whole idea. They are dipped in paraffin, and you can't really tell, but this is really, really compact. It's almost like super hard. So easy to transport if you're hiking, if you're camping, if you need to be just chucking this in your bag, you can definitely do that and not a worry if it actually gets wet. And I'll show you this in just a second, because look at that. I can dump it in some water, and I know that, yes, I know it's wet. I get it, it's wet, see? But despite that, I can still start it. Look at that. And that's it. And I know that it's going to continue burning for at least 10 minutes, giving the rest of the wood, the rest of the setup enough time to burn. And look at that, it is not stopping. Super, super cool. So easy to use at any point. I mean, a match you don't need to have a torch. You can absolutely use a match, and within a second, it starts and it fire starts. This is a 130 pack. You do have crazy amounts if you're looking for 300 or 400s. You choose, it's all good, and they're all going to work just the same, and really make sure that your fire gets started properly.